Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a virtual credit card for free trials. So if you need a virtual credit card for free trials, whether it's Spotify, Netflix, or any other platform, then this video is for you. So to start, simply register an account with email address and password. After that, download the app from Play Store or Apple Store on your mobile device and log in with your account. First thing you will see is physical card and virtual card. Now before applying for a virtual card, there are a few things we need to complete. First one is to verify your identity. Select if you are a USA resident, then select your country. Now enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then tap on next here. You need to select your document type. Don't worry to use Jumio for identity verification, which is also used by Rollout. Anyways, for me, I'll select an ID card, then upload your document, front and backside image, then enter the document number along with the expiry date if it has. Next, share your residential address and click on submit on the bottom. It usually takes 2 minutes for the verification to complete. Before applying for a virtual card, we need to deposit some funds. Wait, then what's the purpose of a virtual card? If you're going to add money from your card, worry not, you can add through USDT. Tap on deposit and select USDT. As for the network, select BNB Smart Chain. Now open any third-party crypto exchange platform. Simply select USDT and paste your wallet address and select BNB Smart Chain as network. Enter the amount you want to deposit and then withdraw. Once all done, click on Apply Cards on the top right, then select Virtual Card. Key features are listed in each of these cards. I recommend going with Platinum Card as it's more flexible, like it can be connected through Apple and Google Pay, and even with PayPal. Both virtual cards cost $20. To get it, simply tap Apply. Now it also needs your real-time face verification to match with the provided documents, so make sure to complete the face verification as well. Make sure your phone number is added. Now after creating your payment code, you'll be able to see your virtual card. Now to get your card number, click on CVV and enter your payment code. And if you want to purchase something else, make sure to top up your card. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.